options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia and you're watching Mamaa Meah. If you're new here, if you're not new here, thanks for coming back, girl. I love you. I appreciate you so much. My dog. Y'all, I am going to a wedding today. It's supposed to be a crazy day and I'm so happy for my friend. I really want to do like a mini get ready with me and tag along. Is that a thing? Let's do it. Yeah. All right, so I already washed my face. I moisturized my face. I got my hair started, but I really want to add this like a really big poofy ponytail, so I bunned it and I'm gonna put the ponytail over the bun. So yeah, just hang with your girl. Let's go. Y'all, the lighting in my office is like literally the worst, but we're gonna get through it. I'm not sure how I want my makeup. I just know I want to be like really pretty, but I don't want to be too dramatic because it is a wedding, but it's a nighttime wedding. It starts at 4. Y'all need to see what I bought. I'm going on a trip soon, so I got this. It's like a little compact NYX eyeshadow palette. It's all neutrals. Y'all know those are my like favorite. So I'm like, that would be so easy to pack, like a neutral bronze. I'm gonna put those on today. You guys will see that. I feel like my foundation didn't match like my summer tone, so I got these. These are a little bit darker than I'm used to. Where's my regular foundation so I could show you guys? This is my regular foundation I use. Look, it look light, right? I feel like it's too light for me now. So I got these ones. These are my new ones. And then another thing I noticed is my forehead is darker than the rest of my face, so that's why I got this color. I don't know. We're gonna see. I've never even used it. I used this brand once and I broke out, but I think it was a really bad. I got it on clearance. It was like $3. So I think it was a bad bottle. I feel like maybe it was old or like, I don't know. Just know I'm never in my life buying clearance makeup again. Like, girl, what was you even thinking? That's just wild to me that I even fell for the get-go. Hippies. Gorgeous. Can someone say hello, fall? I literally been shopping, like fall shopping, and like every sign literally says hello, fall. Like, don't nobody want that shit? Oh my god, look. The most important thing, I seen this on TikTok. Y'all, I don't really buy Fenty makeup. I don't buy high-end makeup at all. I don't know if Fenty is considered high-end, but $26 for a lip gloss is a little bit much for me. But y'all, I could not, let me show y'all. No, I ain't gonna show y'all, but I seen it on TikTok and I was like, that is literally the perfect lip gloss for a brown girl, and y'all know I'm brown. All right, so my hair is slicked, my makeup is done. I look very tan, summery, vibrant. I'm not sure if I'm going to put powder over me. I still have to do my lashes and my underliner, but I'm very thirsty to see how this hair is going to turn out. So hold on, let me go get it. I probably should have put my lashes on, so like once I hook the ponytail, I can get like the full look. Okay, so I hooked it onto 3 ribbon. Oh no. Okay. The more it's giving what I want it to give, just hope it's secure. Note to self, don't get drunk and start doing crazy shit tonight, okay? Because your ponytail's barely on. Alright, so I'm about to get dressed. I need some pins to kind of pin this up to kind of give it the theatrics I want. So I'm gonna have to stop at like Dollar Tree or something and get some bobby pins. But I just wanted to come in and tell you guys that this foundation is literally perfect for me. I just wanted to give y'all an update because I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I'm like, it blends so perfectly. Like after I put everything else on, it just came together and I just love it like so much. So this might just be like my new like summer skin routine. I don't know, but you looking like something, sis. You looking like something. You looking like something. Can you find my name?
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around.
I'm back home. I'm getting undressed. The wedding was so pretty. Oh my god, I absolutely loved it. Oh, oh, I live an hour and a half away, so we had to leave kind of early. I had work tomorrow, so between work and then driving late on the freeway, we just kind of had to like call it a night. She looked really beautiful. Her husband looked very nice, very dashing. It was a very classy wedding, and things kind of like turned up later on, which honestly with my friend I expect nothing less, because she always like, she's one of those people that always have like a really good spirit, very like good vibes. She's the party, like wherever she goes she have a good time. So like I wouldn't expect her wedding to be like anything less than what it was, which was like very beautiful, turned up, like it was really nice. Well, that's it for the vlog, y'all. I just wanted to share my day with y'all. I'll never vlog. Love you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.